All right. So what we did is a couple races back, we got a really good fire photo from yours truly of me and Garrett through the corner. I'm edging him out, which is very rare. So we got a good photo of it. I'm gonna give him one for his for the track's birthday, and I'm gonna get him to sign one in return, see if he plays along. This is the fire that we speak of. I signed in the grass because why not, right? So we'll see where he decides to sign it. And like I said, that's a new dartboard for his office. What's up, man?
What up? How are you?
Hey, I got a gift for you.
Yeah?
I got a gift for you. I got a new dartboard for your office.
Whoa. I should be a little bit in front, dude.
I know.
That's
but
sick.
This was the one corner I had you, so we captured it.
It's perfect. You're understeering.
Yeah, the wall's coming up quick. The wall's coming up.
Wait, is there the wall there?
The wall.
Yeah, that was pre-wall, dude.
That's pre-wall. It was probably that same day.
That's awesome.
That's probably the same day.
Thank you, dude.
Who shot that photo? You?
My man right here.
Nice. Here's your Instagram.
So I'm gonna ask a favor of you.
Yeah, what you got?
Cool, man.
Sign that one?
Sign that one.
Yeah, do you have a marker?
I sure do.
Perfect.
I signed the grass too. I don't know if you saw that.
Did you?
I did. Look, I'm in the grass.
Oh yeah, that's a fine, dude. That's a fine. There you go,
Thank you, sir. Appreciate
That's badass. Thanks, man.
You want me to hand that to somebody, or you want to take it?
I'll take it. I'm only at my son right now, so I'll drop it.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to bother you real quick.
Appreciate it. All right, so we got him to sign it, and he was in the grass. That's the only time you'll see Cleetus in the grass. So good stuff, man.